Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be creating anchor links using the Elementor page builder. And if you'd like to follow along, go over to InstaWP.io to launch your own disposable WordPress environment free of charge. But if you'd like to go pro, plans start at $9, so check it out. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is install the Elementor page builder, and we only need the free version. So hover over plugins on the left-hand side and click add new. Next, type Elementor in the search box. I'm going to install Elementor. Click activate once it's done. Okay, so Elementor is installed. Now we just want to go ahead and create a new page. So hover over new and click page. Now let's call this home and click edit with Elementor. All right, so we're on the editor. But if we look at the top, we can see three different menu items, but we are going to replace this with a new menu. Now let us go ahead and install a template. Let's scroll down to find, let's take a look at this one. So I'm just looking to see if I could clearly identify some good sections. All right, so this may be features at the bottom. We can call this one pricing and FAQs, testimonials. All right, so let's click insert to use this as our template. Click yes. Okay, so we have installed the template. So now I'm going to go back to the dashboard to create the menu. So I'm opening the dashboard in a new tab. Okay, let's click the WordPress icon to go back. All right, so now we just need to go over to appearance, then menus. So now we are going to replace this menu. Let's click create new menu at the top. Click leave. So I'm going to give it a name. Let's call this one nav, just to keep it simple. And for display location, click header, then click create menu. Okay, so now we need to add menu items. And instead of adding a page, pages, we are going to add custom links. And the custom links will be added to this URL field. Now let's go back to Elementor. So basically, we are going to add an anchor widget to this section right here. And we are going to give it a tag. And this tag will correspond to the custom link that we are going to add to this menu item. So I'm going to type the pound or hashtag symbol, then features. Make sure you have the pound sign. And for the link text, I'm going to type features. Let's add this. Okay. And I'm going to repeat these steps for all of the other sections. So this one will be pricing. This next one will be FAQs and testimonials. So I'm going to speed up the video while I add the other menu items. So once you're done adding your menu items, go ahead and click Save Menu at the bottom right-hand corner. Let's go back to Elementor. Click Publish. Now let's go ahead and reload the page. Okay, so now we need to link these menu items to the anchor widgets. So let's go ahead and scroll down. And we just want to type anchor in the search box and drag this menu anchor to this section where it says minimize your documents. So now you just want to go ahead and click the anchor and type features in the ID field. I'm going to make this F lowercase. Okay. And I'm going to move to the next section. So this one already has an anchor, a menu anchor. And this one already has pricing, so we can skip this one. It was most likely set by the template. Let's go down. Okay, so we need to add a menu anchor to this one. So unlike the previous one with the pricing already set, we need to go over to widgets at the top and type anchor or begin typing anchor. Drag the menu anchor in this section right here. And I'm going to type FAQs in the ID field. All right, so let's go down to the next one. This one is testimonials. So I'm going to grab the menu anchor widget again, and I am going to drag it right here into this section. Okay, so I'm going to type testimonials in the ID field. Okay, so this was the final one. So let's go ahead and scroll through the page just to ensure that everything looks okay, because it's possible to displace some elements when making edits. So let's check one more time. Okay, everything looks good. So let's go ahead and preview our changes by clicking this little eye icon next to update. All right, so now we have a preview of our page. So let us go ahead and click a menu item. I'm going to click features, and here it scrolls to the features section. Let's click pricing. This one scrolls to pricing. Let's do FAQs. It's accurate as well. And finally, let's go ahead and check out testimonials. Okay, so it scrolls down to the testimonials section. All right, so we have just confirmed that everything works properly. So you would need to go back to the editor to update your changes, but I'm going to remove one thing that I don't like, and it's this page title. So I'm going to go back to the editor, and I'm going to click settings, and under general settings, I'm going to look for hide title. It's right here. Now let us go ahead and click update. Okay, so now we have the home page without the page title. All right, so now you know how to go ahead and create menu anchor links using the Elementor page builder. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.